Let's test out the pink stuff on these burnt on marks. Thick grease, it's been washed in fairy liquid, it's been soaked, it's not budging. Let's wash it off, take a look. Looking at this end bit, it's definitely better, but I'm going to do a bit more scrubbing. Well, I would call that a success. And here it is, all cleaned up with the pink stuff. Now this, I actually picked up at a car boot sale at the weekend for 50p. And I saw it and I knew that I could clean it up. So, what a bargain, eh? Let me know if you would have bought this or walked on by, because I know it looked a bit wrecked. But I'm chuffed with that. Thank you for watching.